Have you ever felt cheated or betrayed by the universe? Have you ever begged for a job, for a relationship, for a person to stay, or for a moment to change? But at that particular moment of time, at that particular second of life, things didn't go your way. Things didn't happen the way you wanted, and you felt that you have been betrayed. Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to my channel, Tamanna Awakens, which is your sacred place for healing, introspection, and awakening. In today's episode of Wisdom Wednesdays, I am bringing you such an insight, a psychological, mystical, and spiritual lens to the most basic thought and the most powerful hearing that we have been continuously coming across throughout our life, which says that if something which we wish happens, it is for the good. But if something which we wish and which didn't last, which didn't happen, that is for the greater of our side only. So, our mind, our psychology has been always certain around certainty. It has always been protected by the predicted outcomes, by the certain events. And when the things do not go our way and when the things do not happen our way, uncertainty comes, and then we feel like that this is rejection, this is failure, and that fear itself makes us feel betrayed, makes us feel cheated. But the thing is, uncertainty and change is the only truth of life. And if everything keeps on going according to our predictions, according to our life, then we would lose the spontaneity, the perfectionism of life. And we are here to only gather experiences and not create certainties. When we look towards this statement from a mystical lens, all we know is that our life is a cosmic choreography. Our life is not what we want, but what is good for us. We attract the things about who we are, about what we are, not about what we want. So, if something is not coming our way, it simply means that something greater is coming, or we are either being protected from something which shouldn't have been happening into our life. We do not know what is good for us, but the universe, which has created each and every part, each and every living and non living being, knows what's the best for us. When it comes to the spiritual lens, we see that our life is divinely protected. It is not about what we want, but it is about the divine timings of the universe. So everything that comes to your way is only when you are ready to receive it, is only when your heart is whole and complete to receive those things. So if you are going through a phase when you are thinking that you are not getting what you have been begging for, when you are not getting what you have been praying for, and that yes could have changed your life forever, pause, take a breath, and stop cribbing the universe for what you are not getting, because you do not know, but you are being protected and being prepared for something which is meant for you, which is for your greater good. Just imagine, there have been three candidates in an interview for a particular job. One was praying for the job to be achieved and granted because he or she wanted to fulfill some desires. The second person wanted that job because it was his or her dream job. But the third person was really needy. The family needed this job because there was nobody earning and there was nobody who wanted this job more than that person. What do you think, according to you, that the universe will assign that job to? Obviously, the third person, because the wish, the need, and the greater outcome towards that third person is the basic necessity for achieving that job. So, even if sometimes you feel harassed, even if sometimes you feel rejected or failured when you are not getting a particular thing, just remember this story. Sometimes the other person needs that thing more greater than you. Sometimes the other person is been praying for that thing more than you. So stop feeling failure. Stop feeling rejected when things are not coming your way. Life is more beautiful and more abundant than our thoughts, than our scarce mind, than our thinking. When you get out of the negative zone, when you step into the zone of spontaneity, fearlessness, and optimism, you will realize that everything is eventually working in your favor, everything is eventually going into your life. So sometimes not getting the things that we are wishing for is not for your greater good, but is for the divine's greater timing and is for your soul's blueprint. Think this as a gift when you're not getting something which you have been begging for, because you will get something which you never wished you will ever receive. Remember, life is not about wishing for everything and getting everything that we are wanting that feels good for us, but it is about feeling gratitude about receiving what you are getting from the universe. Until next Wednesday, take care of yourselves. God bless you all. This is Tamanna signing off. I'll be seeing you in the next Wisdom Wednesday episode.